Hey guys, oh my god.
Not too much.
That made me dizzy. I'll be less ugly than usual for the intro.
Oh, so this is how they do it.
Dude, I'm trying.
They can see what they're filming.
Guys,
You have a phone call.
I'm literally gonna put all of this in the video if y'all don't shut up.
You know how many compliments I got?
Oh my god.
Yeah, shut up.
I can't. Hey guys, my friends won't shut up, so if you hear them, I'm sorry. So we're getting ready. We're doing a get ready with me, and it's.
Oh yeah. You don't want like one side, not.
I love you guys, but it's gonna ruin the footage, and I'm not gonna be able to upload it, and I have not uploaded in a month.
Footage?
Yes.
The footage.
It's footage.
I thought it's footage, like footage.
No, it's footage.
Okay. Well, you know what? It's also pumpkin to me, so.
She says pumpkin instead of pumpkin. Okay, so we're getting ready for homecoming, and it's gonna be a great time. I'm gonna be starting off with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. This is really expensive, meaning it's not mine. So, yeah. Do I shake it? Shake gently. I'm just putting a blurring primer over my T-zone and my chin area because I have pores. Pores are a thing. You look gorgeous. Oh my goodness. It looks so good. I look really pale. You can't tell though because I've edited this video to make me look more tan. So we're going to be starting with our eyes today. I've never done this in a makeup tutorial. Be proud of me. I've been wanting to actually do this for a while. It's just every time I start a video I end up starting with my face anyways. So my dress is black. My shoes are this color and I want to incorporate gold for jewelry and makeup. So I'm thinking like these two colors, like literally like that. So I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair just to have a base for my eyelids and so I can cover up my veins because that's gross. Taking my Morphe M433 brush with this light like nude color from the 35V just to create a base for my lids. I'm going to be applying this color right here with the M504 brush, my Morphe M504. I'm taking the Makeup Forever Artist Base color. It's a blush, but it's the perfect color I need for my eyeshadow. The B402, this orangey peach color. I'm gonna be putting it in my like inner corner crease. I don't know if that makes any sense, but like focusing it in this specific area. I'm gonna be going back into my Morphe 35V with this burnt orange color to transition that out this way. I'm going to be taking the Morphe 350 palette, this brown right here, and mixing it with this one. I look absolutely horrendous.
No, you don't.
Okay, no, you do.
Right now.
Yes, right now. It'll happen. So I'm taking my Morphe M421 brush and I'm cutting my crease. I'm going to be putting the Ulta branded Lustrous Foil eyeshadow in the shade Gold Leaf. I think it's just because it's gold leaves, and I'm going to be putting that where I cut the crease. Okay, I'm going to be taking this really small blending brush with this grayish brown color right here and deepening my outer corner. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation.
Let's just have you go like that. That looks
Great, just like this. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to be concealing underneath my eyes. She just asked me if I did my eyebrows already.
I haven't been watching you.
I thought you were looking at me and I was like, Noelle? I don't think guys realize that we have to look like this in order to look good. I'm using the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill 01 brush. Next I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows like I usually do, except I might make them just a little bit more defined. And I'm using the brow pomade in the shade Ash Brown from Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Rogan. I need some, I'm gonna put it on because you know, actually.
To contour my nose, I'm using the same contour shade with the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill 10 brush. So for my lipstick, I am going to be using the Melted Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Cool Girl from Too Faced.
I'm getting wet.
Going on top of the lipstick, I'm putting my Morphe Shimmy Gloss. Lastly, for my face, I'm going to be doing my blush. I'm going to be taking this color right here. Mine, but it doesn't work. Use this one.
Okay, cool.
It does. I watched it. I looked at it and I was like,
So this is the hair. This is what I look like. Oh my god, I look fake as hell. It's okay. We're stunting.
hey, hon.
Hey, where's... It's my lips bleeding.
It's bleeding.